I haven't done a review on the Cadillac because I've been trying to get the damn thing here, try to get a tire put on the thing, and I got a tire put on. It's not the right rim, but it's a damn good tire. I just got to put some air in the tire. It's low, and there's probably more room on this side. I need to put some air in this tire. Turns out the battery is no good. It charged up, but it went back dead. Okay, this is like the only damage. You can't really tell, but I don't know, this is sitting out too far. I don't know what happened. It hit something or what, but you can see that is kind of scuffed up. But that's the only problem I see. There's this right here that might have happened at the damn junkyard, maybe not, I don't know. But otherwise the car is pretty nice. Let's find the damn key. By the way, I gotta tell y'all, I put the key in my back pocket, and the key was washed in my clothes and was lost at the laundromat. I went back to the laundromat and found it. Well, somebody found it and turned it in. I gotta clean out all the trash that's in the car. But how many cars you buy at the auction? Usually this be torn up, button missing, the little characters, whatever, are not marked off. The driver's seat is not in too bad a shape. I didn't see that cigarette burn, but you know, niggas gotta smoke. Oh, I'm sorry. N-words gotta smoke. Steering wheel's not too bad a shape. Now the back seat is loose because that's where the battery is. The battery is up under the rear seat. But again, I think it's got heated seats. This is broke, but if it's closed, it looks okay. Again, the wood grain is nice. It's got side airbags. The sumbitch, I think, was living in this car. He had some water right there. There's some mildew, as you can see. But otherwise, the car is pretty good shape. I backed it up too far, but the back is also pretty nice. I just could not let this car go for $375. I didn't know it was gonna cost $3,800 to get the transmission rebuilt. If I had known that, I probably would not have bought it. But to me, it's just a nice car to just let go. By the way, this is my Trailblazer, if y'all know. I mean, if you look at the car, it's nice. The car is just too nice to let go. And I got to do something with it. I've got to do something with it. And also, I need to get it from under the trees. I'm getting ready to pop the hood for you guys. I know you can't tell anything by just looking at the motor, but it's pretty nice. Well, it runs real smooth. I can't start it up now because there's no battery in it. But let's check to see. I forgot to do this the other day. Look at that. That is a sign of somebody who kept the damn oil pretty well changed, I think. And it looks pretty, yeah, that looks pretty clean in there. That looks pretty damn clean. So I'm not going to try to fix the transmission myself. I ain't in the mood for it. So it's probably not going to be anytime soon. But I think I'm going to go ahead and pay somebody to rebuild the transmission. This sucker is tight. It is freaking tight up in there. I don't know how they do it, but I damn sure ain't gonna try. Especially now, I just don't feel like working on cars no more. But anyway, it's well worth $375. It's well worth that. And like I said, I'm thinking about putting the transmission in here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And the thing I love about the damn hood props actually work. How many old cars do you find where the hood prop actually work? But this is Dre, and I'm gonna end this video. You guys have a good day. Oh, by the way, I got the tire from Pull Apart for like $38. It's a damn good tire. The tire is actually better than the tires that are on here. Too bad I couldn't find 4 of them. But anyway, this is Dre. Y'all have a good day. Bye.